Hey geeks, this is NATASHA PELAK. I'm here live with Anina Net, the one and only, hosting the most amazing IoT event that's happening in New York City right now. A lot of different fashion designs from designers all over the world that include IoT devices into their fashion designs. How about it?
Yes, the first 360Fashion and Tech robotic dress exhibition. We used these fashion tech maker kits that I made, and I tested them out on these designers, and they ended up making fantastic things and mechanical clothing that move.
I don't even know what I'm wearing right now, but I absolutely love it. What is this?
Oh, this is our illuminated jewelry. So the illuminated jewelry is made of a soft material that we can laser etch in any design. So it comes as a choker and as a bracelet, and I even put it on a hat. So I think that's really beautiful to have a bit of illumination.
I love that. That's actually one of my own personal taglines, be illuminated.
Absolutely. I think light is magical, and I think too much light is Burning Man, but right amount of light I think can create a new aesthetic that people want to wear and that is elegant and beautiful. So I'm working to bring sort of fashion and tech closer together in things that people would want to wear every day.
I also see a lot of inspiration that you've gotten from the angelic realm down to sort of like the Matrix. So can you talk me through some of your creative process?
Well, I guess I designed for myself, so I didn't really see anything around that I wanted to wear. For example, the MetaGem. The MetaGem is a ring that when you touch it, it sends a text message with your geolocation to your designated person. And that's because I travel a lot around the world alone. And so I really want to, be safe, because who would know if I disappeared off the face of the planet? And the same thing that if I'm creating the illuminated jewelry, it's because I love the idea of being elegant and Blade Runner at the same time. And also, I'm just showing some of the projects that we did, like Intel, the LED glove, or the suit that we built for a CEO that shows the chi flow in the body. And so just really working to bring fashion and tech closer to be something that people really want to wear.
Now, right behind us, we actually have Sofia the Robot.
So this dress knows that when you're making large movements, that you want to attract attention, and when you are making small movements or no movements, that you want to be quiet. So the idea is that it's a smart dress that knows that when you walk in the room, you light up the room.
Looking around this room, I noticed such a wide variety of colors, looks, and styles. Everyone has their own thing going on. It's so cool. It seems that fashion benefits from a life perspective. Maybe that's why this brand is named after all the degrees in the circle. It's really nice to see technology and high fashion coming together in this kitchen/greenhouse. Everyone looks so nice. I feel underdressed now. Just kidding. I feel great.
So when people try to find how they can connect with some of these fashions, are they going online and they finding you directly? Or?
Oh yeah, we have a shop, so shop.360fashion.net. And, it's really all about encouraging women to get into tech, right? And I think fashion tech is a great platform for that, because women can use their aesthetic, their design eye, and also their attention to detail. And so I'm really hoping that there will be more and more women also interested in tinkering with IoT and fashion design.
Here I am, NATASHA PELAK with GEEK of CHIC, staying geeky here with Anina Net. Stay geeky!
Stay geeky.